Hey everyone, it's Money Insights, and today we're diving deep into the world of passive income. Now, you've probably heard all the hype: make money while you sleep, escape the 9-to-5 grind. But is passive income really the golden ticket to financial freedom in 2025? In this video, we're going to break down the myths and misconceptions, reveal the top strategies that are actually working in 2025, and give you the no BS roadmap to start building your own passive income streams. Let's get started. Let's clear one thing up. Passive income isn't about doing nothing and getting rich. It's about front-loading effort, building smart systems, and then letting those systems work for you. Think of it like planting a tree. You put in the work up front to plant the seed, nurture it, and help it grow. Over time, it bears fruit, whether you're tending to it every day or not. But here's the catch. In 2025, we're seeing a new wave of so-called passive income gurus promising overnight riches with little to no effort. It takes time, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle to build something truly sustainable. Once you've put in the initial effort, you can start to automate, delegate, and scale your income, creating true financial freedom and a life on your own terms. So, what actually works in 2025? Which passive income strategies are real, sustainable, and future-proof? Let's dive into the top contenders. First up, we've got AI-assisted content creation. You can leverage AI tools like Jasper or InVideo to create high-quality content for YouTube, blogs, or social media, even if you're not a natural writer or video editor. Monetize that content with ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing, and you've got yourself a recipe for passive income. Next, we have digital products and courses. If you've got valuable skills or knowledge, packaging them into digital products or online courses is a fantastic way to generate evergreen income. Create it once, sell it forever. It's the beauty of digital assets. Now this next one might not be as sexy as AI or digital courses, but it's a tried and true method for building wealth: REITs and dividend stocks. Investing in real estate or dividend-paying stocks can provide you with a consistent stream of passive income, and potentially grow your wealth over the long term. And let's not forget about affiliate marketing. By creating niche content and recommending products or services you believe in, you can earn a commission on every sale you drive. Now, before you rush off to build your passive income empire, there's one crucial thing you need to understand. Passive income is earned, not handed out. You need patience, persistence, and a mindset that embraces the long game. First and foremost, you need to adopt a build once, refine often, and scale over time mentality. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are successful passive income streams. Be prepared to put in the work upfront, learn from your mistakes, and continuously improve your systems. The beauty of passive income is leveraging technology and systems to do the heavy lifting for you. Explore tools and strategies to automate your processes, whether it's email marketing, social media scheduling, or even customer support. Focus on creating genuine value for your audience, whether it's through high-quality content, innovative products, or exceptional service. The internet rewards those who play the long game. So now you know the truth about passive income in 2025. The dream is real, if you're ready to build it smart. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick, it's about creating financial freedom and a life you love. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button below. It really helps out the channel and lets me know what content you guys enjoy. And of course, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos about finance, real estate, and building wealth. Chapter 5. End screen CTA, end screen with buttons, subscribe vertical bar, watch next vertical bar, free resource in description. So there you have it, the unfiltered truth about passive income in 2025. It's not a magic bullet, but it's a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. The landscape of passive income is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep building that passive income empire.